This has truly been a waste of my time. All of this here. This, it has truly been a waste of my time. I'll tell you why. Couple of reasons. Major one being the fact that I don't have time to come in here, open these guys like these, decide whether it's a male or it's a female, and then manually pollinate them by hand, you know, so that they can start fruiting or producing squash or pumpkin, you know. That's the main thing. So this vine here has been utterly useless, to say the least, because even when something like that happens, you know, get a squash, tiny squash like that, little squash like that, or pumpkin like that, what ends up happening is this. See this. These are butternut, but you can see they are all yellow. They shouldn't be yellow like that. They should be green. And the reason why they are yellow like that is because they are not viable. They will not grow into any big size. They will soon fall off like that. See, I don't even have to push it. I just touch it there. They will soon fall off like that. Well, this one is still up. Boom, there we go. So this whole thing on an enclosure like this has just been a flop, a useless experience that I'll never do again, and a waste of my valuable time, because I could have used these two raised beds for something else. I should have gone with my intuition from the first place, because I wanted to get rid of them, because I never really planted them. They were self-seeded from the food scraps that I put in here as part of the soil rejuvenation to encourage worms, you know. Anyway, but what I am going to do now is I'll pull all this out, and I think I'll start putting in some autumn stuff, because right now we're going towards the end of January, which gives me like 30 more days of summer, and then that's it. Summer is gone. So unless I'll get something that is a summer crop that I'll get from the trays, which is already germinated and has some days living. The other reason why this has been a useless project is the monkeys. The monkeys have been relentless in getting in here and eating whatever squash there is that seem to have been fortunate enough to survive. I can already see here they've snapped the cable tie there, and then they went in there. There was a hole there. I've put now 2 cable ties to try and close it. I made a video about that. And yeah, I think I'm just tired of trying to stop the monkeys from getting in here. The best thing is just to pull this thing off, put other stuff here, either carrots or whatever it is, and let it be. This has been a waste of my good time. I could have planted something good, something useful, beans, you name it, on these raised beds, But it is what it is. We learn as we go. I've learned my lesson. I shall not repeat it, and I shall get rid of all this squash or vine here and rework the soil, plant something else. I can also see the soil has subsided quite dramatically. I mean, this is like almost what? Maybe, yeah, maybe 20 centimeters down, because this soil was up here. So it's all the way down there. So that's also, I need to fix that, refill it, and yeah, See, I've got cereal on this bag because I didn't have space. I could have put it in here. But anyway, it's okay. I'm getting rid of this. And yeah, as sad as it is.